Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get SSH keys inside the Hostinger. Now once you're at the homepage of hpanel.hostinger.com, so you will be seeing an interface like this one. So from the left side you will see multiple options, so just go to this section called websites, and once you click on websites, so you will basically see all the list of the websites that you have inside your Hostinger. So make sure to select the website that you want to get off the SSH. Now, once you select the website on the left side, you will see multiple options. I will attach a screenshot so you can have a look. Like you will see multiple options, so just scroll down and you just need to find an option called SSH access. Now once you find the option called SSH access, so inside the SSH access you will just need to make sure that SSH status is active and it is turned on. If it is turned off, just make sure to turn it on, and once it is turned on, just scroll down, and once you scroll down you will see an option called SSH keys. So just click on option called SSH keys, add SSH key, and once you click on add SSH key, inside this they will ask you to enter the SSH key, and once you enter that key, it will be saved and you can just copy and generate the SSH key in that way. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get SSH key inside the Hostinger. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.